Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse the YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can fix bevel in Blender. So it's pretty important, like when you're trying to bevel this this edge here, let's say want to bevel this, Control B, but it looks like this. And I'll show you how you can fix this. So what you have to do basically is to apply skill. So tab to go to object mode, and here what you have to do is to go Control A, and now you need to apply skill Y. Okay, if you go, or you can also play N. This has this scale and it shouldn't be this way, but when we go Control A and here apply and select all transforms, now it's the scale is set to 0, and now not 0 but the default one. Now if you go Control, we tab, press the Control B, and now looks perfect, right? So I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And also, if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.